guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today. It is for vegan Thai noodles. Vegan Thai noodles.
Pad Thai.
Pad Thai. But it is so much more. It's more than just the noodles. And it's very customizable. So you can put in whatever you would like. And as long as the sauce is Thai, I'd consider that vegan Pad Thai, right?
Yeah.
So today we're going to be doing some crispy tofu in there. We're going to be putting some oyster mushrooms in there, some red peppers, some colorful carrots, some red onion, some scallions. The top parts are over here. You want to make sure you separate the white part from the green part because they take different amounts of time to cook. There are two things that you need to do first. If you're going to be doing the tofu, you've got to get your tofu going. We're going to be doing ours in the air fryer today. So you've seen this recipe on our previous log of recipes for crispy tofu. I've even simplified it further. I just take my super firm tofu and I cube it up. And I've got my Frank's Red Hot powder. You can also use the liquid one, but this one doesn't have any oil in it. It's just a powder. So we season it with that. Woo! I know, that gives it so much flavor and just a little bit of a kick. And then we've got our arrowroot powder, which is going to give it a little bit of crispiness. So we're just going to, I don't even measure it anymore. I just dump some of that on there. I don't even put any oil anymore. And we just toss this to coat it. Don't worry, it goes all over. Not a big deal. It wipes right up. So once that's getting all coated, we're just going to dump that in the air fryer. Comes together really quickly, but it's a crucial step because you don't want your veggies getting all overcooked when your tofu is supposed to go in, so you want to get this done first. The other thing that we're going to be doing, let's go over to the air fryer, we'll talk about it. Alright, we're just going to dump this in. I'm going to pop this in. We're just going to do the presets. So this is going to be 370 for, wait for it, 15 minutes. The other thing that needs to be done in advance is taking your rice noodles or any noodles that you have. I don't know if you have to soak other types of noodles. Probably not. You probably just have to cook them according to package directions. But these need to be soaked. So I'm going to put these in this giant bowl over here because I'm doubling the recipe. Oh, these are so nice. Love Pad Thai noodles. We're going to cover these in warm water and let them soak for a minimum of 10 minutes. Longer would probably be better. Alright, we're ready to rock now. Everything has been pre-done so that we are ready to just go and it'll be ready.
Woo!
So these have plumped. They've been soaking for a while. The tofu is crispy. I've got my wok on. You don't need a wok for this. I mean, it would be cool, but you don't really need it. I'm gonna do a little avocado oil in here. Oh, thank you,
it's
wok.
Ready.
It said I'm ready. You don't have to use oil. You could use water to saute it if you're trying to cut down on your oil. But we're gonna begin with the onion. So we got our onion in there. And we're also going to put in the scallion bulb and the red pepper.
Oh, someone used their new mandolin.
Right, and it was amazing. Look at how beautifully it did these carrots. Julienne! Julienne! So we're just going to saute these for a few minutes until they start to be a little bit see-through or until your dog starts barking outside or stops barking outside. Alright, that's starting to look a little bit soft. You don't want to overdo it because nobody likes mushy vegetables in their pad thai. You want nice,
a little crispy.
A little bit crispy. So we got all of our oyster mushrooms here that I just chopped up. So delicious. We've got our julienne carrot. Julienne! And we're also going to add in our garlic. I like a lot. And I don't know if everything is going to fit in here.
Oh, God.
Oh, my God.
What have you done?
I don't know. I hope I don't have to get out my other pot. That's crazy. Maybe it'll cook down a little bit.
Yeah, it should cook down a little bit.
But those noodles, boy, they're going to swell up. Alright, that's looking lovely. So while that's still cooking down a little bit, before we put the noodles in, let's make the sauce. We've got some liquid aminos here. We're going to be adding some chili garlic sauce. If you don't like it hot, leave it out.
Some like it hot.
If you like
and
it a
some
little
don't.
bit hot, put in a little bit. I like it a little bit hot, so I'm going to put in a little bit. If you like it a lot hot, put in twice as much. Now this is the secret ingredient that's going to make it Thai. This is tamarind paste. So we're going to, that's the final ingredient of this. Just give that a stir. If you don't have tamarind paste, you can substitute rice vinegar. It's not going to be as good, but it'll get you by. Now once we add the noodles in, they're going to suck up a lot of liquid, so you might have to add a little bit of water so that it doesn't like get too dry, but that's definitely something that needs to be done
in the moment.
Yeah, exactly. I can't tell you like, hey, put half a cup, or you know, you gotta feel it out. Alright, so this looks like it's ready to add the noodles and the sauce. So we're just gonna dump.
Whoa.
This is where it's gonna get a little crazy because we're gonna have to like toss it.
No dumpies.
I know. So just do your folding rules. Come up from the bottom and through the middle. Now we're gonna add the sauce in this so that the noodles can suck up the flavor. Alright, so the rest of the stuff all goes in last minute because it's already cooked. And you don't want to cook it too much, meaning the bean sprouts, the scallions, the peanuts, and this is for after, for garnish. So we're going to add our crispy tofu.
I already stole some and it's amazing.
I know, it looks like a dusty turd, but it tastes really good. And it's going to soak up some of the sauce from the pot as well, so it's not going to look like a dusty turd anymore. See, it's already looking amazing. So we're just going to get the tofu up to temperature. The rest of the stuff we're basically going to turn off the heat and just add the rest of the stuff because we don't want it to cook.
Look at her.
Whoa. Alright, so we're ready to plate.
Yes. That looks so nice.
Well, thank you.
The bean sprouts and the peanuts always do it for me.
Alright, so we got our peanuts.
Ooh!
We got our cilantro. Oh, that smells so good.
Mm-hmm.
And then we got our lime. Whoa, don't, yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Take it easy.
All right. Are you ready to taste it?
I don't know if I'll ever be ready.
I don't know, I think you might be. Taste it.
Here we go. Okay. I want to try and get a little bit
Like
of everything. Yeah. That was a fail. Okay. Pretty good, pretty good. Ready?
Yes. It's probably really hot.
Oh, it smells good. Mmm! I love Pad Thai.
Me too.
I'm gonna give it up.
Yeah! I'm gonna give it a
That's
Julian!
yummy!
Well, I hope you enjoy.
I will.
That was super simple.
Mm-hmm.
Once you get all of the things mise en place, you know, get all of the stuff chopped up, and you get your noodles soaking and the tofu crisped up, it comes together very quickly. It's not too spicy though, right?
No, like temperature.
Oh, yeah, but I mean that was like enough to give it just the tiniest little baby kick, like a toddler kick.
It's very good.
Okay. I hope you guys give it a try. Make it however you want. Customize it. You can really make it your own. So subscribe for more. Let me know if you enjoy it and you make it. And until next time, much love.